Hey you, before the video starts, make sure to subscribe and ring the bell. Also like the video. Okay, see you, bye. How to print string in C. Hello everyone, I've been using C++ for a few months now, but my new job requires me to use C. I've been asked to port my C++ logging library to C, but I'm stuck at printing a string. This is how I used to do it, std cout hello world std end all. But that doesn't work. I also tried this, but it didn't work, print hello world. How could I make it work? Yeah, I've been working with C for almost 20 years now. The best way to do that is by using printf instead of print, you know. No. I have 2 million reputation. I know better. Instead, just write your own output buffer and print like that. What? Are you good? OP, use my answer. Don't waste your time with this clown. How would I implement this output buffer? What? OP, don't listen to this idiot. Just use printf. I've been using C for 20 years. You never need to make your own buffer. You have 20 rep best C. BIG Reps has 2 million reputation. He obviously knows better than you. Just shut up. Good luck. Have fun. Don't cry to me when you're stuck writing a Hello World application.
How to combine two if statements. I have two if statements that I would like to combine. I remember there being a symbol, but I've forgotten it. How do you do that? I'd like to somehow combine them like this.
I know how to do this. It is because I'm a big YouTuber that teaches this stuff to thousands. But I'm gonna be nice to you and just tell you instead of selling it. The symbol for and is line and line. Don't thank me, just subscribe. I'm sorry, but this is just incorrect. Use and because line means or. Glad if this helps.
You know, do you not know he's a big YouTuber? He's the tech maniac. He's an ex-billionaire and an ex-Broadbook employee. I would trust him any day over you.
Broadbook employee that does not how to make an and statement. Nice one.
No need to be jealous because you aren't as smart as him.
Why my Unity code no work? I find it some code online for player movement, but when I put the Unity 3D I get error. Why? How can I make work? Thanks.
I don't recognize this as C# Unity script or boo. Are you sure this code was written for Unity? Because as far as I see, this is Lua.
The video said it's Unity. It's Unity code. Why no work?
Yeah, I don't think this is Unity, my friend. Are you sure you're not watching like a Roblox tutorial?
The video is called How to Make Player Movement Unite with Other Players Studio Tutorial.
Yeah, you're watching a Roblox tutorial. This is Lua.
No, this is Unity. It's said in the name of the video, Unity. I'm not stupid.
Creating an OS with Python. Hello, I'm new to programming and I'm just starting out with Python. I recently learned that the Linux kernel was written by only one person using C. That really inspired me and I want to make my own operating system. How can I make an operating system with Python? All the tutorials are in C and I don't want to use C. Well, to answer your question simply, you cannot create an operating system with Python only. You can create a bootloader, a basic kernel, and some drivers with C, and create the GUI programs and a compiler maybe with Python. But nah, you can't create an OS with just Python. But why? Linus wrote it in C. What difference does it make if I write it in Python? Linux is not written in C only. The bootloader and initialization stuff are written in assembly. After that, the C code starts being executed. C code compiles to machine code. That's why it's often chosen. Well, what is Python compiled into? I still don't believe you. I think you're trying to discourage me on creating an OS with Python. Python is an extremely high-level language. Also, it doesn't compile to anything. It is interpreted. Also, why would I try to discourage you? If it was possible to do, I would encourage you to do so. Keep your information to yourself. You will be sorry when I become famous. Thank you all for watching. I have had barely any time to make videos lately, but summer break is coming and I'm gonna try to squeeze a few more videos in. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe. Join my Discord for a community full of chaos. Follow me on Twitter for some personal opinions. And I think that's enough selling out. See you all in the next video.